Hello everyone, my name is Dion and I'm with Woman on a Budget, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a budget spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a free software program offered by Google, and it is a really great tool because you can access Google Sheets via your computer or your laptop. And the best part about it is that it's free and it's very similar to Microsoft Excel. You can get Google Sheets if you have a Gmail email address. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the tutorial. So I went ahead and I Googled Google Sheets, and you're going to choose the second listing to pop up, the Google Sheets sign in. It'll automatically go to your docs if you already have a Gmail account. And so, as you can see, my Google Sheets has a monthly budget already, a template already showing. And if you don't see it, click on template gallery. I'm going to double click on monthly budget. All right, so this is the monthly budget template that's already within Google Sheets. And the first thing I would do is to read the directions about getting started, and make sure you understand exactly what you're supposed to do. So first, you're supposed to enter a starting balance in cell L8, which is right here. And then you're going to customize your categories and plan spending amounts in the income and expenses tables below. And as you enter data in the transaction tab, the sheet will automatically update to show a summary of your spending for the month. So what we're going to do is we're going to update the starting balance. Let's say, for instance, you have $1,000 in your account. So go ahead and type in 1,000. All right, and then we're going to scroll all the way down, and we're going to estimate your upcoming expenses and your income. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to update your custom categories if you have categories that's not showing in this listing. For example, if you have childcare, so I'm going to go ahead and type in childcare. And let's say you estimate childcare to be $600 a month. All right. And so you're going to do the same thing with income. Let's say, for instance, you have a Etsy business, and then you estimate that you're going to be bringing in $300 a month. So once you put in all of your planned expenses and income, you're going to click on transactions, the transaction tab. So what I would do is I would delete all of the default information out. Well, I'll leave that right there for now. But what you can do is add in on the expenses side your childcare expenses. Let's say, for instance, on 12/15, you actually paid $650 in childcare expenses for daycare. Just type in childcare, and as you can see, your categories in that drop down. Let me show you right here. All right. And these are all your actual expenses, and this is your actual income. Let's say, for instance, for your Etsy business, you actually earn $350. Then put business income, and then click the drop down, and you'll see Etsy. And once you're done with this transaction tab, it's going to update all of your actual expenses for the month. For example, for childcare, you actually paid $650, and it looks like the difference was $50. So you went over $50 for the month for that particular category. And then for Etsy, you planned 300, but you actually made 350, so you made $50 more for your Etsy income. And so once you key in all of that, you're going to scroll up, and it's going to give you a really good overview of what happened for that particular month. So you increased in a total savings of 20%. You save $200 for the month. Your starting balance was 1,000. Your ending balance is 1,200. It's going to show your plan versus your actual expenses and your plan versus actual income. So this is a really great tool to use. It's free. You can access it online or even on your cell phone. And it's a really good start for if you don't want to pay for something right now, pay for a budgeting software. So this is really good to use. And also, this is fully customizable if you wanted to add new tabs. For example, if you wanted to put in a bill tracker, you wanted to keep track of all your bills. So you will put bills, due date, and amount. You could do that. Or if you wanted to keep track of debt, you can put in the debt that you have, the amount, and or you can put balance, and just keep track of all of your finances in one place. So this is very manual, but it's a really great start for those who are, just starting their budgeting process. But overall, thank you so much for watching this video on how to create a budget spreadsheet in Google. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to um, subscribe to my blog and my YouTube channel. Thank you again. This is Dion. Thanks for watching. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.